big and taxi and movie. It's gonna get fly by itself and have a good place. It can fly by itself. It too can drive by itself.
Yeah? Okay.
It can drive by itself.
Yeah?
But that's a toy.
Okay.
But the toys don't need.
Yeah?
Mommy,
Yeah?
can I have one that gets wet? It's not good. It's not nice. Please, it's small. But, yeah, it's not good if you don't dress. I said, Mommy, please get me wrong. Wet. Another one that is wet. It's not good. That's good for me. Not since we do this. Nice, you She's a warm water. She has warm water.
Now Bop-Bop's getting clean?
Yeah.
Good.
But she doesn't like getting clean.
No? Why doesn't Bop-Bop like getting clean?
No, the mommy mouse.
Oh, okay. The mommy mouse doesn't like getting clean. Bop-Bop likes getting clean, right? Bop-Bop's an octopus. Octopus like to get wet.
But he's getting dry.
Oh, dry. He already was wet. Okay. This movie's about to end. You want to say goodbye to the movie camera?
No!
You want more movie?
Yeah.
Alright. A little bit more movie, and then we're going to read books.
You need to get clean.
Now, Mommy Mouse gets clean?
Yeah.
Good.
I don't want to get clean. I'm gonna get this wet. That's good. I'm going to dress.
Okay.
What you do, I'm going to get him dressed.
Yeah?
But I don't know. He has dirty clothes.
Okay.
You can have one of my clothes.
Yeah?
This could be a slow one. Can I put this on?
Oh yeah, you took Mommy Mouse's dress off?
Yeah.
You're gonna put that shirt on her instead?
Yeah.
That's good because her dress was dirty, wasn't it?
Yeah. She was just gonna wash it. And a nice washing. They have good manners.
You have good manners?
Can you help me?
You need some help? Alright, let me help you.
She needs this shirt. And this needs it. I hold it
And then
you
we'll
put
show
it
the
on.
movie. We'll show Mommy Mouse in her new shirt, and then we'll say goodbye to the movie, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, here. It's still filming, I think.
I think so.
Yeah, but I don't know what it's showing. Oh, it's filming my leg. Let's see. That was silly. I meant to have it facing that way. Alright. Look at Mommy Mouse. She's wearing a nice t-shirt. Oh, she looks good. Ready? Let's show Mommy Mouse to the camera.
She needs to get another shirt on her.
Alright, and now...
She's gonna get...
Okay, good night, Mommy Mouse.
She's gonna get another shirt on her.
Oh, good.
She doesn't need that.
Oh, two shirts. Do you think that one's going to fit over the other one?
Yeah.
I hope so.
That's good. She's good at getting dressed.
Yeah?
She loves getting dressed.
She does like to wear clothes, Mommy Mouse.
Yeah, she needs to get nice and good and warm. She wants to get warm.
Okay, Nina, do you want to say goodbye to the camera? We're going to say goodbye to the movie. This is a super long one. Goodbye, movie. Goodbye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right.